If you've noticed that your headlights are hazier or not as crisp as they once were, examine them in daylight. You'll notice yellowish coloring on the headlights. To clean these yellowish and foggy headlights, we are going to use a new method here. Never seen before, and never used before. The secret is this. Yes, liquid bleach. We are going to use liquid bleach to clean headlights. You can use any brand available at your home. We'll also use liquid soap and a sponge to clean the headlights. A soft fiber cloth and tissue paper as well. We'll show you how to apply this bleach on the headlights. But before that, use gloves to protect your hands. Now, pour the bleach into a cup. It may be a lighter treatment, but it's still worth a go. Use a sponge soaked in bleach to apply on your headlights. Use wet tissue paper to cover your headlights. Completely cover headlights with wet tissue papers and soak them with bleach. Keep them wet with the help of a sponge. Let it sit for 15 minutes. While we do other things, the bleach will do magic. Okay, now we'll remove all the cover and clean headlights with soap. To avoid scratches, always use a soft sponge and fiber cloth for wash. You'll see clear, shining headlights. Now, we'll do the same method with the other headlight of our car. Cover the headlights with tissue paper and soak with bleach. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Spending 15 minutes. But this time, we'll use baking soda instead of liquid soap. Now remove the cover and wash them with baking soda. One part baking soda with 3 parts water. Use a soft sponge to avoid scratches. Our headlights are shining like new. We must say that this is the cheapest method to restore headlights. All you need is a bleach and baking soda. I hope you like our video. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel IMTV.